I just purchased this little desktop fan for when I travel to hotels because I like to have a little bit of white noise in hotel rooms, and this looked like it would suit the job I needed for it. So let's go ahead and unbox it for you. So pretty simple and straightforward, just two pieces to put together. Just like that. And then it has a USB attachment to plug in, so you can plug it into your computer or to a charging brick or anything like that. And pretty simple and straightforward. So this is it plugged in. Button is on the back. And that's it. I mean, it's got a light breeze. It's got three settings. 3 different settings for the fan to work. And even on the top one, you can get a fair amount of breeze out of that going forward. So I think this is going to be great for me for travel, and I think it would be great for anyone who wants a little fan on their desk or anywhere else that you need that extra little bit of air.